Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be pretty quick. It's just some footage, a couple laps from me a few weeks ago back at Pikes Peak International Raceway. This is just an open lap sprint. I think they call it track sprints. It was at the Fall Bash of this year, October 2024. The car did extremely well. Just the night before I had destroyed my coolant overflow by accident, so that was kind of stressful and I had to use a Powerade bottle, but we made it through the day. Didn't overheat too bad. Drove the car to and from the track. It's about a 100-mile round trip from where I live. Yeah, like I said, the car handled really well with the new MaxpeedingRods coilovers. I've had the car on the track with the lower tier coilovers, but now I have the T7s, and guys, I'm not going to lie to you, that combined with the new tires that I have made the car feel like a totally different car. That on top of the turbo kit, I was keeping up with cars much more expensive than the Civic, with much more power as well. This thing probably only has 160, 180 horsepower. If you haven't been following the build, it's just a factory D6 or factory D15 B7 with a T3, T4, TO4E turbo kit. It's like 7 or 8 pounds in this video. Yeah, it was awesome. I think the limitation of the car is definitely me, the driver. As you'll see in one of these clips, I almost blew it up. But yeah, I just need some more experience, and on top of that, my tires, they are better than what I had last time, being I think they're 195s, and last time I had 165s or something crazy like that. So obviously a much more grip going into this one, but they're still shitty all seasons, and if I was on a proper track tire, I could have definitely not spun out and not almost blew up my car. I'll include all that stuff in there. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Big Honda guy. Big Honda guy.
Yeah.